In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a travel intro animation with a text reveal in Canva. This is a great tool for any travel enthusiast wanting to share their adventures in a stylish and visually engaging way. Let me guide you through these steps, and soon you'll have an animation that truly captures the spirit of your travels. To begin, open up your browser and navigate to Canva's website. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up, but if you're already a member, just log in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll see a range of design options, but today we're focusing on videos. Click on Create a Design in the top right corner of the page and select Video from the drop-down menu. This will open up a new canvas, perfectly suited for video projects. With your video design open, it's time to gather your media. Locate the Magic Media tool on the left panel and explore the video generator. This feature allows you to create or select video clips that align with your travel theme. After all, what's a travel animation without the moving visuals of your favorite destinations? Enter a prompt related to your travel adventure and let the generator work its magic. Once it's done, simply drag the generated video onto your canvas. Next, let's add text to your animation by inserting heading text boxes. For each phrase or location you want to highlight, place a new text box onto your canvas. It's important to think about the flow and sequence of your captions. It will help tell the story of your journey. Customization is key when creating a unique video, so let's change the fonts and colors as you see fit. You want to choose styles that complement your video content and reflect your personal style. Maybe you prefer a vibrant palette or something more understated. The choice is entirely yours. Now, we can't overlook the audio, essential for setting the right mood. Head to the Elements section and click on Audio to browse a selection of soundtracks. Think about what kind of audio would best enhance the vibe of your travel animation. Once you've found the right track, click on it to add it to your project. To synchronize everything, fine-tune the timing of your text and video to match the audio's rhythm. Adjust the duration of your text boxes and visuals so that every element aligns seamlessly. This might take a bit of patience, but it can really elevate the viewer's experience when done right. Finally, give your work one last review. If everything looks good, it's time to download your creation. Click on the Share button in the top right corner and choose the option to download as an MP4 file. Now your travel intro animation is ready to be shared with the world. I hope this guide has been helpful, and I can't wait to see what you create.